If you're looking for a quick and easy way to collect custom orders using form tools, you're in the right place. I've tested the most popular form builders out there, and in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to set one up to take custom orders smoothly. Plus, there's an exclusive free trial for the software I recommend just for viewers of my channel linked below. The biggest mistake I see when people try to collect custom orders is overcomplicating the process. You don't need a developer, you don't need to pay for custom coded solutions. You just need a good form tool and a few smart settings. And that's what I'm going to walk you through right now. Once you sign up for the software using the link in the description, start by creating a new form. Name it something simple like custom order form, so it's clear for both you and your customers. Add a name field and an email field. Those are the basics. Now for the key part, add a short text or paragraph field where users can describe exactly what they want. Label it something like "What are you looking for?" or describe your custom order. This is the heart of the form and where you'll get all the important details. If you offer different types of products or services, use drop-downs, checkboxes, or multiple choice fields to help the customer select exactly what they need. This makes it easier for you to sort orders later. For pricing or estimates, you can use conditional logic. For example, if someone selects option A, the next question could ask for more details specific to that option. This saves back and forth emails and filters out incomplete submissions. Make sure to include a file upload field if your custom orders need a reference image, logo, or document. It's one of the most useful features people often forget. Now here's a tip that separates a basic form from a pro one. Set up automated email responses. This reassures the customer that their order has been received and gives you a chance to set expectations for when you'll follow up. Lastly, go to the form's share settings and embed it directly into your website or share the link in your bio, email signature, or wherever your audience is. You can even link it with Google Sheets or a CRM if you want to manage everything in one place. Before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Collecting custom orders doesn't need to be complex. With the right form tool and just a few tweaks, you can create a system that's fast, professional, and reliable. The biggest win is how much time you'll save not chasing down order details manually. Quick recap. Create a form. Add the essential fields including a custom order description. Use drop-downs or checkboxes for clarity. Enable file uploads and automate responses. That's all it takes. And don't forget, if you want to follow along or try it out for yourself, I've got an exclusive free trial of the software we used just for viewers of this channel. It's in the description below. Definitely worth taking advantage of. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next quick tutorial.